Alright, so here is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get in. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open up, this is what it actually looks like inside. So you can see there's a lot of different parts inside, but let's take it all out. So once you guys take out all the parts, this is everything that's included inside. So they basically provide you guys all different parts, the screws, and also instruction manual as well. So since the instruction was actually very easy and very simple, I'm just gonna skip that part and show you guys what the product looks like once you guys do finish building it up. So you see once you guys do fully set up the product, this is what it actually looks like. So you basically get 2 chairs on here and you guys get 1 table. You can see when you guys do set it up, it actually looks pretty nice. So for the setup process and everything was actually very easy and very simple like I mentioned, because everything is all numbered. If you see this video right here, I still have like the number stickers on there, so that way you guys know where to put everything together, which is pretty cool. So whether if you guys want to use it indoor or outdoor, that is totally up to you guys. And right here is basically a close-up view of what the product looks like. So here is the bottom of the feet. Here is the table. And then here we have the other chair.